Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G200 5G, and let me show you how to change speed of slow motion video recording at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right, where we get access to more modes of this camera. Now let's focus on video category and pick slow motion. Here we are. Now we can easily start recording slow motion video by using the big center shutter button. To change speed of slow motion, let's move a little bit up to this small button above the shutter, so we can get access to more options about slow motion we can manage, with frame rate at the third position. As you can see here, we can pick between three options: 120 fps, 240 fps and 360 fps. So this is wide choice, and the really cool thing is also that when we move to right side and tap to this small button, we can get access to super slow motion, so now we can record our video in 960 fps. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.